Hey there, Libra! So, thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So, bago natin simulan na reading ninyo, our content would be what are their feelings and intentions for you? So, this could be anybody, no? Kung sino yung naiisip ninyo ngayon, yung laman ng isipan ninyo, or kung sino yung naiisip yung tao. This could be anyone, okay? So, just like only what resonates with you, wala tayong gender dito. And of course, this is timeless as well. At pwede magkapalit-palit dito yung roles, mga babes. No? So, let's take a look at, no, what do they want from you? Or what is this person, okay, want from you? So, let's see. Libra. You may think of a specific person right now. While shuffling, you can do that. Spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Messages for Libra, please. What is this person? The person on Libra's mind right now? What is this person? True feelings and intentions for Libra. Tell me about this person's feelings and true intentions for Libra. Shuffling is my way of catching the right energy for today. So let's see. Okay, so let's see, Libra. What does this person wants from you? Oh, we have here the Five of Wands. Oh, Ten of Cups and the Lovers. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. You could be dealing with Taurus, but doesn't have to be. I'm picking up that as well, even though wala ritong Pentacles. Okay, so I'm getting the energy of Taurus. I'm feeling that. I'm sensing that. So you could be wanting, no, na panoorin yung Taurus dito, no, after this reading of yours. But I'm seeing someone here stuck on you with the Strength card, the Death card right here, Two of Swords. This person do not know what to do. So Libra, itong tao na to gustong magsimula ng clean slate with you. Pero ang hirap daw nito, no? Kasi wala na siya ritong babalikan. I can see you choosing another person on the line. This person will get stuck on you. Yung iba, maaaring kasal kayo sa kanya, no? At nakikita niya rito, no, na siya yung sumira ng happy family right here with you guys. But I'm seeing you in a very, very positive light right here. So, kung wala pa yung new love sa inyo, mga babes, no, I can see it coming. I'm seeing rainbows right here, butterflies right here, guided connection right here. I can see that you could probably be meeting someone here. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko nakikita, no, ang focus ko ay nasa mga damit. So, ito ay mga damit na sinusuot ng mga princess or prince, no? So, nakikita ko rito na maaaring ito ay isang indikasyon, no, na siya ay nagtataglay rito ng maayos, maalawan, at magandang pamumuhay. So, kung sino man tong tao na to na hindi magiging problema rito, no, ang pera, no, dahil ito ay nakikita ko na isang taong meron yan. May resources, no? At this is a very well-guided relationship and commitment. Kasi yung ang daming Cupid's arrow in the background. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See? Definitely soulmate connection right here. So yeah, 6. Nabilang ko tuloy itong design pala ng sombrero yun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is definitely a very spiritual connection. And there you go. There is a statue of angel in there. So I can see that this is somehow love that's gonna shared with the both of you. See, dalawa yung falling waters rito, no? looks like false. So I can see you here creating a happy family here with you. Yeah, this could be new love right here. Yeah, you could be dealing with Taurus. Take a look at that reading. Okay? Mukhang you're dealing with Taurus. But doesn't have to be, okay? You might want to watch that as well. So, sa nakikita ko rito, matindi yung pagsisisi ng ex mo. Actually, energy ito ng ex mo. Nasa-stuck siya sa'yo ngayon, pero parang mukhang hindi mo yun alam. Kasi may block of communication, may pag-block na rito. No, ikaw na mismo yung nag-block nito. And with the 5 and 5, this person wants changes. This person wants this relationship to resurrect, to bring back to life right here. At ikaw to, no, na medyo nahirapan ka na dun sa parte, no, to deal with this person in the past. No? So, no matter what this person say, or no matter what this person will tell you, wala nang effect sa'yo. Yun na nakikita ko rito. Nagiinom siya rito, no, at parang hindi maganda ang lagay ng panahon para sa kanya. Tingnan mo yun. Punong-puno siya rito ng kalungkutan, no? Punong-puno siya rito, mga babes, no, ng pagsisisi rito at mukhang tinan mo naman yan, no? Parang nagiging rito miserable at patapin yung buhay niya. See, to the point that, eto, hindi to for everybody, but this is a poison bottle. So, this person could be thinking of suiciding. So, whatever the case may be, maaari rin naman mga babes no, na siya ay may ganyan. Kasi nakuha ko ng ganyan eh. Parang nakita ko rito ng child na parang nung bata pa lang siya, no, meron na siyang mga suicidal thoughts. This person, if this is not someone here na umabot dun sa extent na thinking of killing himself or herself or her own life, nakikita ko dito that this is someone here sobrang nade-depress right now. Sobrang nai-stress. And his or her angels and spirit guides are telling him to hold on and have faith. Kailangan lang niya sumabay dito sa karma na ito kasi may dala at may hatid rin naman ito ng mga leksyon sa buhay niya. Sa pagpapatuloy niya sa kanyang life, magagamit niya yung mga lessons na yun. So yeah, his or her angels and spirit guides right here wants him or wants your past lover right here to hold hands with them. Okay? Sumabay dito sa pag-aagos. Which is, nakikita ko naman na yes, nangyayari kasi gusto niya rito magsimula ng bago sa buhay niya. No? Pero yun nga lang, gusto niya kasi magsimula na kasama kay. Pero hindi na yun pwede. Libra. Especially kung meron ka na talaga ngayon, no, nakikita rito naka-holding hands. Pansinin mo naman yan. Parehas yung photo dito or yung image, no, parehas holding hands. So, ibig sabihin, no, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo in a relationship na kayo and that is a very beautiful and wonderful relationship. See? This is a very beautiful and wonderful relationship. Yung iba nakikita ko rito, mag-move in together kayo ng taong to. Maninirahan kayo rito, no? Sa ibang bansa, sa ibang lugar, no? Sa malayo, sa kung saan kayo ano yung kinalakhan, no? Or saan kayo tumira ng matagal, no? Like malayo, no? Maybe that is very specific here for someone watching. Baka yung iba dealing kayo with someone na may citizenship sa ibang bansa or baka siya ay foreigner or dun siya talaga nakatira but doesn't have to be. Pero nakikita ko rito, no, na maayos at magiging maayos ang buhay mo sa kanya. Actually, ramdam mo na yun ngayon, especially kung magka-in relationship na kayo ng bago mo dito, ng new love mo dito. Yeah. Tsaka maganda yung palitan ninyo na pag-uusap dito. Nakakita ko ng sweetness, no? At hindi lang basta sweetness like a teenager, no? Merong may halong pag-work things out. May halong pag-build parehas, no? Ng strong foundation. So, hindi lang ito all about sweetness, hindi lang ito all about that pagiging sweet sa isa't isa or hindi lang ito all about love, no? Kundi this person is also building stability here with you. So, seryoso siya sa'yo. Yan yung nakikita ka dito. So, yeah. Someone here from your past, nasa-stuck siya sa'yo rito, no? At naghihintay siya. Alam mo yung parang sinasabihan na siya ng mga friends niya na parang, wag mo na siyang, pre, kasi Meron na siyang iba eh. Kalimutan mo na siya. Tsaka isipin mo na lang na noon pa yun eh. Matagal na rin eh. So, kailangan mo na rin mag-move forward sa life mo. Yan, no? With the death card and there's this two of swords right here. Yeah. Pero this person, ayaw niya kasi gusto niya nga bumalik ka sa buhay niya. Mm. At hindi lang yun, kasi nakakaranas rin siya rito ng mga parang mga pagsubok sa life, no? Which is ito yung kanyang naging karma or bad karma right here. Actually, this is part of this person learning a lot in this journey of life niya. Kasi kailangan niya ito eh, sa pagkakaroon ng pagsisimula ulit sa life niya. So, this person might be depressed right now. This person, nakikita niya na siya yung sumira ng kasal na to. Okay, ng sagradong kasal na to with you. So, iba baka dati niyo tong husband or wife, no? This person wants to bring that back. Pero yun nga, no? Ano pa bang magagawa niya rito? Maaring iba sa inyo kasal na, yung iba naman, no? Nakikita ko na dito, level up, level up na, no? Inyong connection with the new love. No, new love na talaga kayo. Yun na nakikita ko dito. Dito sa Ten of Cups na to, lahat ng baso nakatayo. All cups are standing. Lahat yan filled with that. Overflowing. There's balance. There's reciprocity. See? Alam mo, malamang talaga, lagi kayong holding hands nito. Kay Bern na ako may ibang makakita. Yan, hindi kay PDA, pero kayo to, no, na either ganyan kayo pag naglalakad, no, or nakakabay siya sa'yo, or nakaangkla yung kamay mo, or kamay niya sa braso mo. Just take how this resonates, pero ganun. Yan. Hmm. So, okay, okay. Sige, sali na rin natin yun. Nakita ko, no, na parang pinupunasan niyo pa yung nagkalat mong kinain, no, sa yung labi rito. Yan, no? See, nang walang tissue. Kami niya talaga yun. So, yan, no, baka kayo yun. Ang sweet. So, yun ang mga babes, no, yung nakikita ko rito. Someone here regrets letting you go. Pero ano pa nga bang magagawa niya dito? Masaya na kayo at hindi ko na nakikita pang mababali ito. Okay, so Libra. Whew! Kasi alam mo, nakukuha ko kasi talaga yung energy ng past mo rito na sobrang bigat ng pakiramdam niya. Okay? So, we're gonna do some kind of cleansing right here after this. Okay? Kasi gano'n naman din talaga ginagawa ko. But this one's heavy because I'm sensing that this person really regrets this ending here with you. So, thank you so much, Libra. Sana ngayon love and life.